Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the type of the map on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. You go to the map icon at the right side of the screen, and here you can choose standard map, simple map, satellite map and dark map option, and just select map style and step on it, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.